Next is a cool command called Format-wide. So let's take a look at that. What this is going to do is format into columns. So first of all, let's do a get process. Now you can only choose one property in this case. So we'll choose the name property. So I'll do property name. Oh, I forgot to forgot to pipe it to format wide. So I'm going to use the name property, and let's see what we get. Ah, yes. We now get it in 2 columns so that you don't have to scroll so far. I can specify a greater number of columns if I wish. So let's try that. Let's do the same thing, but let's also add the parameter COL. Oops. COL. And I will put it in 4 columns. And now I have it all in 4 columns. And look, I don't even have to scroll very far to see it all. That's probably as much as I can put on this screen with it on half my screen here. But I actually could make it, if I make this full screen, I could do the same command and let's say put it in 6 columns. And now I could, well, I still had to scroll a little. Let's do it again. Let's put it in 8 columns this time. Now I don't even have to scroll at all because I have it all on my screen. And I have a fairly large screen at home. You may not have such a large screen. It may be more difficult for you to do. In fact, let's try a bunch of columns and just see what happens. Let's try 12 columns and just see what happens. Well, it did it, but it just cut off some of the names. So that one worked pretty well. So that's the format-wide command.